I have been wondering for a long time if the Obitsu body can fit Barbie clothing. So I went ahead and I found this Hello Kitty, and this was on sale, so it was very cheap. And I'm going to make the thing that I think quite a lot of you have been wondering, if this can be used for the Obitsu. Because if it can, then it's open up a whole new wardrobe for your dolls. So let me get these out. So this is the shirt that I got. The sewing is quite good. A little thread thing going on here and down here, but otherwise it looks good. The Barbie logo. And this Velcro thing, I hate this Velcro, as that really easily get caught in the hair and other fabric, but that's not the issue right now. We just want to know if she can fit it and if it's perfect for her or not. So let's get this on here. I think without the bra on the inside it would be a little better, but it closes really nice in the back, as you see. There we go, it's all closed on the back, and I'm just going to pull down the bra here a bit, just a second. So yeah, without the bra underneath it would be even better. But I actually think this t-shirt is really nice for the girl. And this is the Obitsu body medium. So medium breast or smaller breast would fit this outfit really nice. And the Tangkou body is the same size as the Obitsu, so that would fit the Tangkou as well. I actually think this is a very neat t-shirt. It fits so good. I might even take the pattern for myself, maybe. Let's see. So I think that most of these fashion packs will fit the Obitsu body without a problem. So that was actually all I wanted to show and share today, but I am going to be sewing a lot more, so I'm going to try to take the pattern from this t-shirt and duplicate it so we can make this pattern ourselves, because that is really neat. Anyway, I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching.